What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Fish, back another POV. As y'all can see by that title, we are back downtown in our 500 horsepower BMW M340i. You know what I'm saying? It's currently all black with the chrome super rims. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a cool little, nice little POV. On my last POV, I cannot lie, I did some pretty weak stuff, bro. Instead of me actually driving my car and having a little fun, I went the more safer, smarter route, which is cool. But today we're gonna have more fun. We probably gonna give y'all a couple of pulls and just enjoy the drive. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. Yes, sir. Houston streets are so horrible, bro. This doesn't make no sense. Like, I just damn near messed up my whole entire car just then, bro. Literally almost just messed up my whole entire car. Like, downtown I ain't gonna lie, this has to be the worst to even be trying to do some type of pulls in, bro. Like, it's not a smooth road, and I hate that. I hate that for my car. I hate that for my video. I hate that for everything. Like, bro, one little pothole, and then my car is on them springs, which makes it so much worse. Like, your car being on springs, bro, you don't realize how bad that is until you hit a bump. Like, it's so bad. Like, look at all these, bro. I don't know if I can tell, but it's hella bumpy over here, bro. Like, holy. Bro. Look how bumpy this is, gang. That is not a good sign. This bump right here and this railroad tracks, not a good sign. All these dang old bumps, bro. Let's turn down this road. I just hate that it's so bumpy, bro. Like, it kind of defeats the purpose of this video. Well, not really, but like, it kind of does. I don't know. I'm just yapping, bro. I'm just yapping. I'm also mad at the fact that my phone keeps, like, it's so bumpy that my phone, because I have it mounted on my door, and I have it connected to like a tripod pole. Every bump I hit, my car literally, not my car, my mount keeps on moving because of how bumpy it is. Look at this. Oh my Lord. I hope y'all can tell in the video, bro. This is hella bumpy. I need to try to find a non-bumpy road, bro. Let's do that. Oh, she look good. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I just drove for like 20 minutes straight. Almost every road is jacked up. And it's crazy because I come down here so much to do videos. And it's like, I go through, like, downtown is so big, I go through different areas. And it's like the areas I've been going through tonight, it's all like bumpy as hell. And I don't like that. Like, it just makes the POV, like, I don't know. I don't like it. But we're gonna make the best out of this, bro. We're gonna make the best out of this. We're gonna try to get as much clips as we can while avoiding the police, because I done seen like hella police officers out here too. Always been shooting this. So let's turn down here. And actually, no. Let's keep straight, because I seen the police officer over there. You gotta dodge him at all costs. You feel me? Oh, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. That's see, there's a police officer right there. Police officer right there. Oh yeah, God, bro. See what I be talking about? Oh, he's just chilling, but bro. The good thing I'm not speeding or anything, and it's just my car making all that noise. Cause there's a police officer just sitting in the corner, just waiting for somebody to come through there. I'm pretty sure he's probably somewhere creeping, metering me, so you gotta be real careful. But this right here is a lovely street. Hold on, I like this street. Not too many bumps. Not too many bumps on this street. We love that. That's what we love to see. They waving at me. Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I don't know what the hell down here. But I don't like it. What's down here? Let's turn left. Let's turn left. Oh, it's a U-turn. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna bust that U-turn because we will not be going that way. Let's bust that U-turn. Lovely, ain't it? But this road is bumpy. What are the odds, bro? Bumpy ass road, bro. Officer right there. He gonna turn behind me. I know he is, right? Oh, he actually don't. Bruh. Did y'all see that police officer? That's the second one I done ran into over here in this area. Oh, third one. Jesus, they must be looking for me. They all circling this area. I guess because of my car, bro. I swear, sometimes, like, that's one thing about having a car that's tuned is the sounds that it makes. Because sometimes, bro, you wouldn't even be going at, like, right now, I'm probably only going like 30, 40 at most. And it's making all that noise. And it makes it seem as if I'm, like, going crazy fast. I'm really not. I'm just actually... I'm pretty much damn near going to speed. Well, actually, I take it back. The speed limit down here downtown is like 35. So I'm going like 5 over. You know? Oh my God, that sounds amazing. We love that. We love that sound. Yeah, buddy. Police officer down there. Okay. I see what's going on. Like, why are they all heavily patrolling this area, bro? What's going on in this area that I done seen my 4th police officer in this area? What's really going on? Why am I seeing so many? Luckily, none of them have pursued me, thank God. But like, why am I seeing so many? Okay, forget this, bro. We putting the phone in my hand. Hold on. Do y'all not see my, bro? Like, bro, imagine getting pulled over by a dang on van. Can y'all see that? That's a police van, bro. And I was about to literally do a full pull. Look at this crap. That is insane, bro. Like, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I tell y'all, like, bro, I be on point. Like, for somebody to not, for me, a person like me to not have a radar, I be on point when it comes to spotting out these police officers, and my intuition is insane. Cause like, bro, like literally, a whole full-blown sheriff van. Insane. Oh shoot. Insane, right? That is crazy, bro. Another one off in the cuts, bro. This is actually insane. All right, so I just inserted my footage, but bro, that is crazy, bro. Like, spam up W fish, because the way I'm able to pinpoint when I just be pinpointing police officers from anywhere. It's like I can kind of like sense when it's a police officer. They just be posted up. Is this another one? I ain't gonna lie, that's another one. I'm about to say, that's another one, bro. That's my cue to get off. Like, just go home. But that wasn't another one. I probably should have turned down this street, right? Let's turn down this street and get on the damn freeway. Bro, my car just spanned, because I don't know if I can tell, but my traction is off, so my car just spanned. Now, luckily, I'm pretty comfortable in my car to where I know how to control it, but dang, it just did a full-blown, like, spin. But this right here is my cue, bro. I thought I was going to be able to do some crazier stuff, but there's too many, like, there's just police officers everywhere tonight. It's like every time I come downtown, I always run into the same issue. Police officers. Every single time. It never fails. It's like they just be waiting. I know if I'll do a lunch right here, that'd be crazy. All right, y'all, this right gonna conclude today's video, bro. I know it's a little slow because of all them dang on bumps and all them police officers, but it's a 3. All right, man, like I was saying, this right is gonna conclude today's video. It was cut short due to all the bumps and all the police officers, bro. Like, I don't know what's up with them, but they dead. They be dead old tripping. Like, they be tripping. I don't understand why every time I bust a corner, bust a left, bust a right, police everywhere. But spam with the like button, the comments, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And check out my Instagram too, bro. Instagram right here. So make sure y'all check that out. But I love y'all, man. I'll see y'all in another one. Your boy Fish is out. Peace.